Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, for your limited liability company. An EIN is a crucial 9-digit tax identification number, much like a social security number for individuals, but for businesses. Your LLC will need one for various essential activities, including filing taxes, opening a business bank account, and if you plan to hire employees. The Internal Revenue Service strongly recommends using their free online application, which is the quickest and most straightforward method available. Before you start the online application, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. The responsible party, who must be an individual, needs a valid taxpayer identification number, like a social security number. This individual must also have a legal residence or principal place of business within the United States or its territories. It's wise to gather all necessary details beforehand, including your LLC's full legal name, its physical address, and a clear understanding of why you need the EIN, such as starting a new business. The online application is straightforward. Navigate to the official IRS website and find the link for applying for an EIN online. You'll be guided through a series of questions. Select Limited Liability Company as your entity type and specify your reason for applying, such as started a new business. Pay close attention to detail when entering your LLC's information and the responsible party's details. Double-check everything before clicking Submit, as accuracy is key to a smooth process. Congratulations! Once you successfully complete the online application, your new 9-digit EIN will be issued instantly on the confirmation page. It's crucial to print or save this confirmation notice immediately for your records. This document is your official proof of the EIN. With your new employer identification number, you can now proceed with essential business activities, such as opening a dedicated business bank account, applying for any required state or local licenses, and preparing to meet your federal tax obligations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.